In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 or 11. So, the first method is just right-click Roblox player and navigate Run as administrator. So, just click that, and if it won't work, we can go to the second method to uninstall Roblox. Or, aside from that, you could also try restart your PC as well. Or if it won't work, you can just go and install and install again Roblox. So let's just search control panel, then go and install a program and just search Roblox. And after that, just uninstall Roblox player or also Roblox Studio and just install them right away again. Or you can also restart after an install, then install them again.